Pagkat ikauna.
Uy, wala! Ano yan? Ano nga? Hindi ko na-get.
Isay ko lang na.
Ano, isa na lang. Isa na lang. Lakasan nyo nga, lakasan nyo. Hindi ko narinig.
1, 2, 3. Sama-sama Wala. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Kami ay magpapresenta ng aming mga gawang mga magaganda at malilikwa. Wow! Wow! Yeah. Humanities. Ito ang aming gawa na para-parehas. Wow! Humanities. Ito ay academic discipline na nag-focus sa philosophy, modern Asian language, at saka performing arts and law and religion. Ito ay nag-involve ng more branch of science that deals with the questioning of human existence and the fundamentals of the philosophical and it's also a part of social science.
Social science. Social science are a branch of science that deals with human society, social relations. Social science is a branch of knowledge whose subject matter is society. Natural science. Natural science deals with the physical world, answer questions like how a tree grows and the limitations of the natural science.
Humanities is often used in social science and both basic case is the study of human as social beings, culture and society.
Similarities of humanities and natural science. Itong parehas na communication, humanities and natural sciences ay parehas gumagamit ng scientific as they deal with human aspects of law, politics, economics, linguistics, and psychology. They would all serve the specific phenomenon. Humanities studies human beings and their behavior, as natural sciences studies the physical world. And they both uses inexplicable foundation.
Similarities are both have general laws that have numerous applications, also both use empirical and measured data that are observable by the senses. Similarities of social science, natural science, and humanities. They are all studied the aspect of human through human relationship, society, and living things.
Nakabidyo na.
Wala na ito na lang.
Sumigaw ka lang.
We're going to present our group activity,
May full stories ako.
Uy, hindi namin narinig. Miss, narinig niyo ba? Natural science is a branch of science in which humanities provide imaginative, creative, and humanities sciences of social analysis is understanding human social sciences. Social sciences are branch of science that deals with human society and social relations. Social science is a branch of knowledge where subject matter science.
So, magpaglaplapan. Gagawin yun.
The synergies of social science and natural science are both influenced by positivism, similarity, and
The similarities of social sciences and humanities are they both study human aspects in different working ways. Now let's talk about the similarities of all social sciences, natural sciences, and humanities. The similarities of all of them are they all study human aspects of human relationship, society, and other Wala naman yung
so, yun mga guys. Thank you for listening. And that's all.